For over 40 years, Metalworking Group has specialized in providing high-quality metal parts for a wide range of industries, including energy, industrial equipment, medical, and defense. Our facilities are equipped with the latest technology and state-of-the-art equipment, and our highly skilled technicians and craftsmen allow us to produce precision parts with exceptional accuracy. At Metalworking Group, we provide solutions for our customers' most complex manufacturing challenges. We collaborate closely with our customers at every stage of the production process to guarantee that all components we manufacture precisely adhere to their specifications and that the part performs as intended. We use a variety of fabrication techniques, including cutting, bending, welding, folding, and machining to produce parts of all shapes and sizes. Providing superior customer service, we work closely with our customers to ensure that every part we produce exceeds their expectations. We also offer value-added services, including assembly, design for manufacturability, finishing, packaging, and stocking programs to help streamline the manufacturing process and save our customers time and money. Our goal is to become a trusted extension of our customers' team. Whether you need a single custom part or high-volume production runs, Metalworking Group has the expertise, technology, and commitment to quality to meet all your metal parts manufacturing needs. Contact us today to learn more about our capabilities and how we can help you achieve your manufacturing goals.